Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell courses on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, you got to log into your Gumroad account and then go to the left panel, click on products. And then once you're in here, click on new product at the very top. And then we will go ahead and use course or tutorial right here. Alright, and once done, you got to give it a name, for example, sample course. And then once done, scroll down, add in the price, for example, $10. And then scroll up, click on next, customize. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, got to give it a description right here. Scroll down, add in the cover image, the thumbnail, and then set this up however you want. As this section is totally up to you. All right, now scroll all the way up and then go ahead over to content. Here's where we need to upload our content. Click on upload files. Is it found on your computer's drive? Click on computer files. If it's on Dropbox, well, click on Dropbox files. So I'm going to go ahead and select computer files. Now here, you can upload a zip file if it's already in zip. You can go ahead and package your videos, text, transcripts, and workbook PDFs into a single zip file so that the students can download it directly to their computer. You could also set up your course as a recurring email newsletter or automation where lessons are delivered to the student's inbox over several weeks. All right, so for example, this one is our course. I'm going to click on open. Wait for it to process. You can add in chapters right here. For example, insert, a divider, or a list of posts, more like this. It's up to you. All right. Let's say chapter 1. And then upload the file, computer, this one. There you go. Then add in some more divider. Chapter 2, add in another file as well. All right, and there you have it. Once it's fully uploaded, you can now then go ahead and click on save right here at the very top, and then publish and continue. But before you can publish and continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account. And once you have an active payouts account, again, click on publish and continue, or you can just go ahead over to your products right here. Right click on the course, open link in a new tab, copy the URL, and post it wherever you want. It could be Facebook, Instagram. Use the link. All right, and that's how you sell courses on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.